Once an engine who works on a little line that has goods. And other goods that are not in the cold lines. Even mail. And lastly, passengers on board. But all good things don't last. The very faced trouble during it. It's time, losing a bit of money along the way due to road. Due to this, something serious like a stunt of the bridge that the engine pulled with all the trains have been cut off extensions. This grown worse and worse going on in this. And the last train that the engine took was the passenger train before the branch closed down. As the engine puffed, it didn't realize about the falling bridge. The railway got fined, and the names of the engine has been compared lost. Condolences to the families that went by. That no one knows what happened to the engine. Years later, the branch reopened, with the Northwestern Railway owning it and having the engine to work on it. But some do claim that on a full moon night, years later, the engine that used to run the branch appeared once more as a spectre, hunting others, searching for a way back. But you all know that this whole thing is just fiction.